My excellent friends, welcome to our ranch here in Fun. Welcome to my shop. Got the old hots on fader out. We got it checked out by the high ram, red green dot, blue butt sight, red laser. My 3-9 by 32 center point. Gonna finish checking her out with something else. Today we got a product review from, that's right, Feyachi. This is a tactical torch. Comes in this box. Foam padding. Right off the bat, you've got your Picatinny rail mount. Okay, so here we are, we're outside here in the backyard. So we got the better all outfitted with the new flashlight. Check out the lumens, it's rated 1200 lumen. That's not bad at all. You can see that? It's pretty good lumen. You see how dark that tree is out there. This lights it up pretty good. All right. Well, that's the review for the Feyachi tactical torch. Down on the invader. Hey, thank you for watching this. This review on the Feyachi tactical torch. Looks good on the Hots On Invader. It's going to be good for some nighttime testing. So, do us a favor, hit that like button for us. Helps the algorithm. Let us get known. Let us be seen. Do us another favor if you haven't already. Please subscribe to the channel, our Ranch Air Gun Fun channel. Until next time, my boy Brian, God bless you. Y'all know. Have a great day. yeah. Two switches here in front on your pressure pad. Flick the light on, and you got this one switch here. Turn it on, leaves it on. Okay. Let me get this mounted onto the inverter, and we'll go outside and see how it looks outside. So hang on, I'll be right back.